In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Instagram ads for your Shopify store in 2025. So whether you're promoting a product, a collection, or a seasonal sale, this guide will help you attract more customers using Instagram ads. So before running ads, you need to connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite. So first, make sure you are on the um, business suite here in Meta. And as you can see, I'm already in the settings and make sure you click the settings and then under the accounts click this Instagram account, and as you can see the add button, click on that. So make sure the Instagram is on the professional mode because personal account in Instagram will not be added in here. Now, since I don't have a professional Instagram, so let's assume we have. So once connected, make sure your Shopify store is also connected under data sources and then pixels or catalogs. So after that, so in your Shopify admin dashboard, so let's head over first to the Shopify. So Shopify, let's say Shopify login, and then click the Shopify. And then as you can see in here, you'll need to enter your account to start a free trial. And yeah, let's assume that we are logged in here since they need to uh avail or you need to avail a plan in here in order to access the Shopify. So yeah, let's assume that. So once you are in on the Shopify admin dashboard, click the settings and then under the settings, the apps and sales channels. And then after that, click the Shopify App Store and search for Facebook and Instagram by Meta. So install it, then go through the setup steps and then connect your Facebook account, select the right business manager, and then add account and then choose your Instagram business profile and then connect your product catalog. So this will allow you to run product-based ads, including dynamic ads directly from Shopify. So now let's head over to the adsmanager.com. So this is the adsmanager.com. So let's X this. So let's X this. So after that, choose your objective. It could be sales, traffic, or engagement. So let's create a start or a new campaign. So let's create a campaign first. And as you can see, we have a buying type in here. You can choose a reservation or auction and then choose a campaign objective. It could be awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales, like I said. For example, we are going to promote or we are going to create a campaign objective in app promotion. So continue and then so wait for it to load up. So you no longer need to choose this campaign setup. So okay. And in here, um you can now customize your campaign. So under the uh ad setup, you can choose your target audience and then Instagram as your placement and check other placements if you want IG only and then your preferred schedule. So you're under ad setup, you can choose the format, image, video, or carousel. And then you can also add your product images or videos and then write a compelling caption and call to action. Then link directly to your Shopify product or landing page. So preview the ad on mobile, Instagram, feed, or stories. So click publish once you are happy with your ad. So Meta will review your ad before it goes live. Usually it takes 24 hours. So once approved, you'll start seeing results inside Ads Manager and Shopify Analytics. And that's it. So you've just set up an Instagram ad for your Shopify store in 2025. So running ads consistently with the right targeting and visuals can drive a real traffic and a sales to your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.